Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another video about my travel journal kit. I'm actually going on a second trip this summer with my family instead of my friends. I will link my first travel journal kit and setup video down below if you want to check it out. That was for my Montreal trip. This time I'm going to the East Coast with my family, so I thought I would make another video showing what supplies I'm bringing and the notebooks. So let's just get right into it. Let's talk about the journals first. So I'm using two journals from the same set that I actually used for my Montreal journal. I really like how it turned out, so I thought, why not bring them? I'm actually bringing two because this is going to be a 2-week long trip. It's 15 days, which is very long. So I'm going to need a lot of journaling space to like glue in photos, to glue in like paper bits that I pick up. And since last time I filled up a whole journal this size for only 5 days, I was like, I definitely need to bring two journals. So the journals I'm bringing are this one. This is from the same set. Like I mentioned, it was from Indigo. It has these pretty like deckled edges and a really pretty gold flower. And the second one is just, it's pretty hard to see. I don't even know if you can tell, but it just has like a bunch of white flower patterns on like this very light beige cover. It's really pretty and looks the same. This one, oh, this is upside down. This one is lined and it has the same kind of binding here where it just like stays open like this, if that makes any sense. And this one is dotted. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to show you the setup afterwards. I'm going to go into the supplies I'm bringing first. So I'm actually using this book sleeve. I actually used this from our last trip, but did mention in the video. This is a book sleeve from the shop Love You More. It's a small business. I got these a long time ago when I was on Bookstagram, and I thought it's a perfect way to travel with my journal because literally they fit in so perfectly, and then they can stay safe. So yes, I will be, can't even talk. I will be bringing this super pretty book sleeve. Hopefully you guys can see. And yeah. Okay, now let's talk about the supplies. I have the same two random pencil cases here. These are just from when I was a kid. So in this one with all my supplies, I have a glue stick. I have some washi tape. Let's get out all the washi tape. It's kind of a mess in here, but hopefully it's okay. Okay, so I have, these two rolls I thought I would bring. This is from Precious and Snow, which is a small shop. And then I have a bunch of random washi samples. The theme for this journal or these journals is going to be brown, green, and blue. So yeah, I have some brown washi, blue washi, and some green washi. This I just made a sample of the washis I own because I didn't have any washi samples already. So yeah, I have these washi samples. And then I also have some white sticker paper bits. I'm going to use this to like write the date the same way I did for my other travel journal and all my journals in general. So I just have quite a bit here with a paper clip. This is just like sticker paper scraps from when I cut stickers for my shop. I have a washi cutting card. This is just a gift card from Starbucks. Super cute. And then I have a pair of scissors. I don't know, I just opened it like that. And then again, same as last time, I have this little vellum pocket with a bunch of pieces of clear sticker paper. I use this as tape in my journals because it's really easy to transport rather than like the whole roll. So yeah, these are also scraps from when I cut stickers for my shop. And then lastly, I have my 3 little envelopes, which are packed full of supplies this time. I don't even know if I want to open them and go through, but basically in every pocket I have a bunch of random stickers that don't really like match with other stickers, which is why I'm okay with using them in my travel journal because they're just going to be used as like simple decoration. If you want to see the flip through for my first travel journal, I will also link it down below so you can see how my decorating style is a little bit different than my regular journals. So yeah, I just went through my collection and picked a bunch of stickers that didn't really match anything else. I have like a sticky note here. Yeah, so just a bunch of random stickers. Let me just shove these back in. Yeah. So there's all the blue supplies I brought. Hopefully this will be enough. Like I really hope it will be. And if it's not, well, that's too bad for me. Anyway, here we have green. I have a lot of green supplies. So worst case scenario, I'll just use more green. Like I seriously have so many like green stickers. More stickers, little sticker bits, this really cute kiwi sticker, these little plant photos, this sticker, I'm probably not going to use this to be honest. I don't really like the orange because it's going to clash with everything else. I have this. More stickers, more stickers, more stickers, and stickers are really the most convenient because I don't even need to get out my glue stick, but I just brought it anyway because I will be gluing in like paper bits and everything. So yeah, I'm not going to show you everything. There's just a lot more like little plant photos and stickers. So many stickers. And honestly, I find this is a really good way to like use up things in my stash that I wouldn't normally use. So I really like making these travel journals. Anyway, that is that. And then lastly, we have brown, of course, in the brown envelope. There's more stickers in there. I'm not going to take it all out. We have more plant photos, stickers, more stickers, plant photos. Plant photos, this should be in the green, but that's okay. Brown photos, printouts, vellum pieces, sticky notes, more vellum. Yeah, so there's just a lot of stuff in here. What's this? Oh, some paper scraps. These actually match the envelopes, and I had little scraps of paper, so I thought since it's brown, might as well bring it along. Yeah, so again, lots of supplies. I even have these little like sticker bits from a sticker kit that I left over, so I thought I would include it anyway. I'm gonna put that away later. Okay, sorry for the weird cutoff. I did actually have to sneeze. Let's talk about this pencil case. This has all my writing supplies. So I have a bunch of Crayola Super Tips for writing the dates. Of course, I have blue ones, green ones, and brown ones. I'm probably gonna add, whoa, I can't even hold these. I'm probably gonna add one more brown just to have options for the colors, but I have those. And then as for other supplies, I have a pencil in case I need it, a black gel pen, a black ballpoint pen, but honestly the ink looks like gel, so I'm okay with it. I have a brush pen. This is the Pentel Touch. I have, oh, here's another brown super tip. I have a fine point Sharpie and just a colorful pen. I don't know why, I just brought it just in case. I was gonna bring my other pen that has 4 colors, but I'm not sure where it went. So if I find it, I will bring that too. Anyway, okay, let's just put everything aside. I feel like I'm kind of a mess in this video. But okay, let's show you the setup for my travel journal. This is the first one I'm going to use, and then once I fill this up, I'm going to move into the other one I showed you guys. But yeah, all the setup is in here. So on the cover, let's make sure I'm in the middle. On the cover, I just printed out a photo. I looked up East Coast, and this was a photo that came up. I thought it was pretty. It had blue in it, so I printed it out. I wrote East Coast trip, August 14th to 28th, 2021. I put a little girl sticker here, and then this Polaroid sticker is from Drawn by Leslie, and I just wrote volume 16. And then here, whoa, I'm sorry if that sniffling was really annoying. I just realized that was probably not great. Anyway, whatever. Here I have my packing list. I just used some washi to decorate, and I wrote packing list. I cut this out from like a little notebook that I had, and I'm gonna write in my packing list. Here I have this card from Once More with Love. I thought it was super cute. It's very like travel adventure themed, even though the quote isn't really like prevalent, but whatever, or relevant. I just thought it was really cute. The colors match, and so I'm gonna be tracking my expenses. I'm just gonna write them all here, and I just taped it in with a piece of clear sticker paper. And yeah, this is just a message. These normally come with like her orders from her small shop, but I wanted to like find a way to use it in my journal and make it look cute. This part I'm really happy with. I did this in my first travel journal where I made like little sections to mark down things I did in point form to transfer it into my sticker planner once I got back, and I wanted to make it really cute. So I have that washi that I showed you guys earlier from Precious and Snow, so I cut it into thinner strips, and then I used this washi that had a bunch of tickets on it, and I cut out each ticket individually, and then I took these scripts from my shop, Ballet's Paperie. I only have the Oops version, so they're a little bit off cut, but I don't mind using them, so I always keep them for myself. Anyway, so yeah, I just put them on so you can see the dates. So we're leaving on a Saturday, and then we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I did the same thing on the next page. We have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we come back on the Saturday. Do we? Yes. I'm pretty sure we do. Or wait, do we come back on a Saturday? I think so. Okay, anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we do. Okay. Anyway, so, okay, yeah, I did the same thing on all these pages, and then that is all the setup I have. I have a few photos here printed out to make cover pages for every province that we visit, so I thought I would just glue it in, and I would write like, I don't know, Prince Edward Island, and that would be another cover page. So yeah, that is the setup and the supplies that I will be bringing for this vacation. By the time this video goes up, I will be, like, I'll have come back a long time ago, but I hope you guys enjoyed this nevertheless. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next one.